In this lecture we'll be taking a look at the binary mode. So for that we have one file over here, python.png, as you can see, and this image is retrieved from the community website. Over here what we are doing is we're creating a copy of python.png. So the first thing we are doing is taking the main file python.png, and you can see that we are opening it in read mode and then binary mode. We will try to open this one as text. You might receive some errors and exceptions. So here we are opening it as binary file, and then we are creating another file called copy, and the name of the file would be python copy.png, and this you can see we are opening in write mode in binary mode. So here what we are doing is we are looping till the while loop has true value in it, and every time the loop goes we are creating a buffer of 10 KB, and if there is something in the buffer we are writing that buffer using the write method of the copy file. So copy.write buffer, and then we are printing dot every time this writes to the buffer, and if the buffer is empty, in that case the while loop will break. We are then closing the copied file and finally printing done. Now if I go ahead and run this, you'll see only one dot appears over here and it says done. So here we have a file now, python copy.png, and this is the file that we have just now created using python.png. So that was just an example of how you can work with text file as well as binary files in Python.